Hey crystals, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a bittersweet one. We are going to be doing a flip through of this special and most loved scrapbook. Yes, so it's finally complete. We've finished all 75 pages. See how thick that is? Woo. If you've been here since day one, you know that this book has a lot of memories. This is the very book that has gotten us to 100,000 crystals. Well, I guess now you can say 140,000 crystals. And we keep growing and growing daily. So I really just want to thank you guys for all your love and support through this whole journey because I wouldn't get here without you guys. This book just means a whole lot to me. And for those of you who watches every single video, you know that this book has been with me through my darkest and hardest days. With that said, I've read from your comments that this scrapbook has also helped you in some way or form. Evidently, I am also so blessed and thankful that this has helped not just me personally, but also a whole lot of you. So am I sad that we're officially closing the last page of this book? Yes. But am I also excited that we're gonna create more pages or scrapbooks in our journey? Of course. So like I said in the beginning, it's both bitter and sweet. I will definitely miss this book because it has changed my life. But I'm also really happy that it's completed. And I'm very hopeful and excited for the new scrapbook that we're gonna begin in this channel, as well as more and other creations that will hopefully inspire you guys as well. I know you guys are excited for the flip through because a lot of you have been asking me to do a flip through or a tour of this book. And we are finally here. We're gonna do it. So without further ado, let's do our flip through. Congratulations guys! We finished and completed our first scrapbook. Take a good and final look at this book before we say goodbye. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.